Alright guys, welcome back to another Monday virtual car show. We have Volkswagen bugs, we have some stalkers, we have some lowered ones, we have some semi-stock ones and semi-custom ones. Check it out, we've probably got about 20 to 30 in here. One of yours might be in this list. Check it out guys. Alright, enjoy. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. A lot of fun, got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one guys.